be the past till it's weightless.
Okay, you know, song buzzing man, it have a buzz. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier. Today we're gonna be watching K-pop Demon Hunters. So, being honest, not a K-pop fan. I don't hate it, but it's not like I'm gonna go out of my way to listen to it. But I know that the fans get really crazy about it. I know people like BTS, Katsai, I could call Saya K-pop. And then like Blackpink. Yeah, Blackpink and all them people there. But yeah. So you can tell I'm mainly working off just like the popular songs and stuff like that. But hopefully, so we'll see how that affects my viewing of this. So synopsis says Goblin up Ramyong 1 minute, taking down demons the next. These K-pop 8 girls can do it all. Now it's time to slay and save the world. Interesting. Let's see how that goes. Let's get into it.
The world will know you as pop stars, but you will be much more than that. You will be hunters.
Okay, cool.
Stealing our souls and channeling strength back to their king, Tima.
Sorry.
Born with voices that could drive back the darkness. Singing songs of courage.
I think I pronounced that name wrong.
But hunters are more than warriors. Our music ignites the soul and brings people together. With this connection, the first hunters created a shield to protect our world. The Honmun.
Oh, interesting. Nice in the backstory.
Every generation, a new trio of hunters is chosen. And now, that duty falls to you. It is your voices, your song, that will create the Golden Honmun.
And their name, the other group is Huntrix. Makes sense. I get it.
Mira's my favorite. She's the visual and lead dancer of Huntrix.
Who else could wear a sleeping bag to the Met Gala?
She's our role model. She's the best. Love her.
Rapper and lyricist.
She grew up in America.
We love Rumi! She's pop star royalty. Rumi's voice is just incredible. But we're gonna miss him so much!
I love how geek the fans are.
The most carb loading.
For the fans!
Yeah. Wow.
1,000%. A gajillion %. Mira, that's not even a real number.
Excuse me, miss?
Yes, Miss Hunter.
We asked for hot water, like...
Right away. You're welcome. Okay.
What?
Hi, Bobby.
She was pouring coffee on the plant? What?
Oh, that's so sweet.
I just got this!
Sick.
Ooh.
They make cute signs and everything. How can you be late?
Why do they always interrupt our snacking? You're a demon, right?
What do you mean?
You're smiling all weird, watering plants with coffee, and those guys? Come on.
The only ones dying tonight are your... I said only ones dying tonight are your...
I'm sorry. What?
Your fans! We're gonna eat your fans!
Not our fans.
When you mess with our fans,
Yeah.
You need to make it hurt.
Yeah. Ooh.
Been a bad time, but you just crossed the line. Better come right, better look right, get into a level, logging you out like a lullaby. Hear the sound ringing in your ears, I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Oh, yeah. I really love this. Great visuals. And the music, hitting.
Yeah, this plane's trashed.
Trash is an understatement.
Something about when you come from the crowd that's so humble and high. Come to irregular but to continue it if you're poking her way. For my neck pump error. Need to beat my face, make it cute and savage. On mirror on my phone, who's the baddest? Us, hello. Hear that sound ringing in your mind, show you how it's done, done. Till the dark beats.
Oh. Dun dun, hey. How? Dun dun. Alright. Nice. Okay, and so she's gonna get in trouble for losing the battle. Is the king gonna kill her?
Let me guess. They got away again.
They did.
I understand. You are weak. Pathetic.
There once was a mighty demon king.
Dying king with the crumbling crown. Will he let the fire go out?
Go after the very thing that powers the Hun Moon. The fans.
Oh. Okay, I see.
Demon
Rival.
boy band. What makes you think that could work?
Oh yeah, totally gonna
That's
work.
totally gonna
100%.
What do you want?
The memories. I want them erased.
Okay, so he was a human and he's now a demon. Got it.
Just need a little water.
Did someone say water?
Hi, Bobby.
Water, now! That finale with the guy in the demon suit exploding into confetti.
Those special effects looked amazing.
Yeah, special effects.
No. Well,
To our couch.
Bobby, go enjoy the resort. This tour has been grueling for everyone.
I couldn't possibly. Just kidding, road me. I'm a 34 short, please.
Of course, I would take that vacation too. I would take that resort too.
Oh, yeah. That's the stuff.
Relaxed.
Hey, have a good break?
What? We literally just sat down.
Girls, you won't believe this.
no more relaxing time.
Everyone's listening to it.
I was a ghost, I was alone.
Tell us more about that new single.
Golden. It's the story of us.
We're so excited to show you what's next.
Okay, what's going on with her?
To wake up and feel like me.
Oh.
No more hiding, be shining like I'm born to be. Oh, I'm done hiding
Calm down, Bobby.
like I'm born to be.
Huh?
Oh my god, what is that?
Rumi, are you okay?
She's not okay.
Visualize there's not 10,000 fans at the door screaming and sounding really scared.
There's 10,000 fans at the door screaming and sounding really scary.
Cover those up, cause
My dad was a demon.
those will be gone.
Wow, okay. Her father was a demon?
You guys go ahead.
Every time.
Maybe they'll understand.
No, Rumi. Nothing can change until your patterns are gone.
Okay. So it's only a secret between Celine and Rumi as of right now. Got it.
Your hunter's voice is strong and I know I believe.
How am I supposed to fix the world? Fix me when I don't have my voice.
Oh,
Right now when I'm so close.
what a conflict. And then
Why?
they're gonna have the boy. Oh! And then we're gonna have the boy band as the conflict. Another conflict. Interesting.
I'm sure everything will be fine. Bobby can handle it. Hi, Bobby.
Girls, I can't handle
I love the comedy of this.
Then why did you push up the golden release?
Because we're so close, and it's so...
Okay, so she wanted to do it before her voice. She loses her voice.
Hey, we'll get through this. We can get through anything. Together.
You need to tell them, or you need to tell Sidine.
It's down that alleyway. Free concert. It's at noon.
Who are the Saja boys?
In order to heal a part, we must understand the whole. I see.
What do you see?
No, actually I don't see. You have lots of walls up.
Oh, she does.
So many walls.
Walls? I don't have walls.
Yes, you do, babe.
We've been trying to take her to the bathhouse
Forever.
What the hell is this help?
Eagerness to please. Maybe a little too eager.
What? I'm not like that. You guys would tell me if I was really like that, right?
Yeah, that's right.
To treat the part, we must understand the whole.
Weren't there like 5 of them? Ooh, free popcorn.
You guys are so gross.
Okay, there's the 5th guy.
Watch yourself.
Ah, cold.
Oh, sorry.
A little soda pop. You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink up. You're my soda. My little soda pop. Pull me down, you're so hot. Me up, I won't stop.
My soda pop, my.
They can make hearts out of thin air?
Magicians. I mean, demons.
Yeah.
You're my soda pop.
My little soda pop.
You're my soda pop. Gotta drink every drop.
Let's go kill these guys.
Alright. They're so serious.
Baby Saja is the winner!
Goo goo gaga.
Come on.
When we're having so much fun.
So hard. Please welcome Huntrix!
I love you, Huntrix!
Oh no, we couldn't possibly.
In the balls! In the balls!
The mother has betrayed us. Oh no, the honor is ours.
No, it was ours.
No, it's ours.
Guys.
Did you really follow us in here?
I knew they would. That one's always looking at me.
No, we're not.
A hunter who's part demon?
Yeah. What's gonna... Did he do that? I think he did. Put the thing on her arm. I mean...
Hey! This is the men's bathhouse! Get out of here!
They're just like us. Oh, souls incoming.
Yes, they are just like you because they're demons. Like you.
My little soda pop. It's catchy. I'll find out what it is, Sid, to destroy her and the hunters for good.
I've taught you well, Gina.
How do we go from gold to this? Look at all the weak spots. We've never seen the whole moon like this before.
The Saja boys have gone completely viral after that variety show. They even have their own fandom.
Soda pop.
Bobby, control those shoulders.
It's just social media numbers. Not the end of the world.
It's both.
A diss track to expose the Saja boys and disgusting demons back to the depths where they belong!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Not sure about this whole demon thing. I mean, they seem like nice people, but loving the energy.
Yeah! Oh?
Is that a bird wearing a tiny hat?
A demon bird? Oh, that's nice of you. Come on. Let her do it. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Gino. Let's meet.
Yeah, let's.
What?
Wow. I wasn't expecting a hug, but... Teddy bears and choo-choo trains? Really? Choo-choo.
You're dead by now!
I could have told your friends what you are, but I didn't. Because they don't know. Ah, I did guess right. Feel our shame, our misery. It's how Gima controls us. Do you not hear him in your ear?
What are you talking about?
I had a single possession to my name. An old beepa.
Took advantage.
Streets, but it didn't get me anywhere.
Kinda like, what name again? Demon Slayer, I don't remember the name.
Do anything for your family.
Kibutsi, Musan. Yeah, Musan.
Our bellies were finally full, our clothes clean. My family lost everything. And without me, they were even worse off than before. These are a constant reminder of my shame. A shame I can never escape.
Oh, okay. That's why he wants the memories gone. I get it. Makes sense.
You know, you can tell me. I understand.
I wouldn't trust
I'm
him.
the only one who can.
I wouldn't trust him, to be honest.
They're nasty, disgusting, not beautiful, perfectly dewy.
Okay, calm down, lady. Calm down. Chill.
Enough! I'm taking these down, just like how we're gonna take down these boys.
Takedown. That's the song.
I'm about to switch up these
Sorry, guys.
No, take it easy.
Soda pop by the Saja boys.
So sweet, so easy on the eyes, but hideous on the inside.
Time to kick you straight back into the night.
Wait, that's the beat.
Yeah, totally!
Are you a prisoner too?
Sit it down.
I'ma take you out, you'll break down like what? It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, and it ain't gonna stop.
And who should I make this out to?
It's the Saja boys! Join signing!
The Saja boys will sit with us.
Same table?
We need every fan.
I am not sitting with no Saja boy.
What's up?
Your secret's safe with me.
Yay!
Well, so cute.
You can't even talk about your patterns. If hate could defeat Kima, I would have done it a long time ago.
I made this for you.
For me?
When your patterns start to show, it makes the hatred wanna grow out of my...
Skin? Okay.
Well, excuse me.
Give me a minute. Come in?
I mean, yeah, if you want me to come in, I can come in. You sound good.
Yeah, who would have thought? These tonics actually work.
And I just can't shake this feeling you're keeping something from me.
Mira, I'm not keeping anything from you.
You're sitting on a tiger? Oh, wait, you can't see the tiger. Oh, okay.
Eternal suffering. Sounds fun.
You gotta tell them something. or talk with Celine, cause
We really feed off your energy.
The amount of missing person reports have tripled in the last 24 hours.
You could have picked somewhere nicer for a date.
Date? No, ew! What are you talking about? That doesn't mean... Ugh, you're so old. This is strictly a business meeting. You can be on this side when the honeymoon is sealed, away from the demon world, away from Grima.
What makes you think the honeymoon can save a guy like me?
Guy who tried to help his family? You made a mistake. I am a mistake. Been since the moment I was born. I have to believe.
Okay, so that's why she has the patterns.
If there's no hope for you, what hope is there for me?
Because she's the same shamed.
She's not even my type.
Excuse me? I'm everyone's...
Free one. Go find yourself a better boy. This one's hopeless.
That's the funny thing about hope. Nobody else gets to decide if you feel it. That choice belongs to you.
Oh. Good line, good line. Very true. I dig it.
Your loss.
Makes sense.
Oh, I was just trying to get
the bracelet.
Yeah, just the bracelet.
For what it's worth, I don't think you're a mistake.
I don't either. You're not a mistake.
It's just these lyrics are throwing me off. I don't think they're right just yet. When the patterns start to show, the whole world will finally know that you're depraved.
No.
Rumi, we don't have time to change the lyrics, even if we wanted to.
Look at Zoe.
So hard on the auto routine. For what it's worth, I'm here for literally anything you need.
Yeah, they're not there, buddy.
Why are you questioning everything we stand for when we're so close to sealing the honeymoon? What are you not telling us, Rumi?
The tear.
It's huge.
Oh, that's a lot. Whoa.
If you're with us, prove it.
It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, you'll break down like what? You'll be begging and crying, all of you dying, never miss my shot.
But damn, I with no feelings don't deserve to live. It's so obvious.
It's a takedown, I'ma take you out.
Everything is at stake, and we just need to get through this together.
But you're not together because she's hiding stuff from you.
It's really hard to understand this time. We can't win this without your voice, Rumi. Why does the bird wear a tiny hat?
I made it for the tiger, but the bird keeps taking it.
But since I've met you, and the more I talk to you, I don't understand it, but somehow my voice is healed.
I try to hide, but something broke. I try to smile, I was suffocating though.
Okay, because it's no longer a source of shame. It still is, but not fully. Because she's talking about that she's sharing her feelings with somebody. Because Celine just told her to hide everything. But she's sharing with somebody else. You know, kind of a positive way. So this is why. Yeah. And she's kind of liking the guy. So that adds to the healing factor.
Going back to why does it feel right? Every time I let you in, can tell you anything.
Fix it if we never face it.
What
if we find a way to escape it?
We could be free.
Fix it if we never face it.
Let the past be the past.
Till it's weightless.
I couldn't sing, but you give me hope.
We can't fix it if
we never face it.
Let the past be the past till it's weightless.
Okay, you know, song buzzing, man. It have a buzz. Nice to go vibe, man.
I don't hear his voice.
Progress.
Right, so good girl.
You would have told her the truth.
What?
You betrayed your own family. Left them behind.
What? Oh, he's a...
Don't think you can escape what you are.
Oh, he's a POS. Wow. Dude is trash. Cannot believe that, man. Trash, trash, trash.
Damn!
They'll understand.
No, Rumi. Nothing can change until your patterns are gone.
Wait, sir. Oh yeah, Celine is still alive. My bad. I was like, is Celine dead? But no, they talked about her seen her earlier in the movie.
And Takedown isn't.
It's okay, Rumi.
We agree.
It's not the song that's gonna connect all our fans.
It can't even connect us.
Somehow, with you guys, they're okay.
But with the two of you, they mean something. I mean something.
Nice, they're being vulnerable.
I'm afraid of losing you guys too.
They're being vulnerable with each other.
The Saja Boy! Okay, there's been a slight change.
I was a ghost, I was alone. Now I'm shining like a butterbean.
She hit the note. Nice, love it.
Bobby?
Yes!
Oh!
Hi, baby, nice try. I'm about to switch up these vibes.
Those are demons.
I don't think you're ready for the takedown.
We see what you are.
You're a demon.
A mistake.
You have been
Since the day you were born.
That wasn't you? Oh, thank goodness. You were never supposed to see.
You were hiding this from us?
How could we be together if we can't tell your lies from your truths, Rumi?
Yikes. Oh, come on.
Sorry. It was all a lie.
It was real. What we had was real. I know it was.
I left them! That's right. I lied to you. I left my sister, my mother, alone. I slept on silk sheets in the palace with my belly full every night. You're a demon, just like me. All we get to do is live with our pain, our misery. That's all we deserve.
Damn.
Best New Artist, Saja Boys. Song of the Year, Soda Pop.
You thought you found a family? You don't deserve one. You never have.
You're too much and not enough. You'll never belong anywhere, but I can give you a place to belong.
Uh-huh. Look what you caused, Celine. You told her to hide it. And this is the result. Should have just let her be honest with the other two.
I thought I could fix it all. Fix me. Do what you should have done a long time ago, before I destroyed what I swore to protect.
When we lost your mother, I swore to protect all that was left of her. But I never thought that that would be a child like you.
Accept me? You told me to cover up, to hide.
Yeah.
Yes, until we can fix everything.
That wasn't gonna...
We still can. We can cover those up and put everything right again.
Nah.
This is what I am. Why can't you look at me? Why couldn't you love me?
I do.
If this is the Honmoon I'm supposed to protect, I'm glad to see it destroyed.
Well done. Ready to forget it all?
Sad. Sad, sad, sad.
Keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed. I won't love you more when it all burns down. Preach it to the choir. Can I get the mind now? Too late, 'cause you're mine now. I will.
You free.
Once we set the world on fire.
Okay, the song hitting. I can't deny that.
We are hunters, voices strong, slaying demons with our song. Fix the world and make it right when darkness finally meets the light.
You come here like this, and the whole moon is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.
Nice. Love that.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. My head was twisted, my heart divided. I don't know why I didn't trust you. Be on my side.
Yeah, you should have trusted your friends.
My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. We let them get between us, but none of us
know how they're on their own.
I'll be right here by your side.
Yeah, see? Being open with each other, vulnerable.
Your voices cannot defeat.
They need Genu. He's gonna turn and he's gonna make a betray Gima. I don't think I pronounced that right, but
Jinu, no, I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back. I give it to you.
oh, new sword. Awesome.
You're just my type. Oh well.
No more. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. Head up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Fearless and undefined.
This is what it sounds like.
My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like.
That guy's a flip-flopper, man.
Rumi, I'm so happy you didn't like die.
Wow, Zoe, way to be super literal.
I would really know it.
Couch. 3 months of couch.
Aw, look at them. They're so cute. I thought I wanted couch, but I think couch can wait.
Take down.
100 girls to the world. So sweet, so easy on the eyes. But kitty
On the side.
whole life spreading lies, but you can't hide.
Nice try.
Oh, you're the master of illusion.
Oh, twice. Okay.
Look at the best.
I think, okay, this is also a group. Oh, obviously it's a group, but
How can you sleep or live with yourself?
okay, great to see that they're the voices
You're wrong, I'm the wrong.
for the singing at least.
And ain't gonna stop. I'm a coach.
I like this behind the scenes view.
To get down.
Nice. Really like that. Okay, so that was K-pop Demon Hunters. That was a good experience, not gonna lie. I'm gonna keep this short, but yeah, that was a good time. The music was hitting. I pretty much liked every song. Couldn't tell you my favorites right now. But all of them were just bangers, and I was so moved. Well, quickly, let me just get into the cast a bit before I just tell you my whole feelings about the movie. Okay, so I realized that the songs were made for what's the name again? Hundreds, right? EJ, Audrey Nuna, and Ray Ami. Those are the actual singers. Twice they just did a version of the song. So that was what was happening there. My bad. Oops. Also the cast. So Arden Chu, I've seen her in on the partner track. Daniel Lee Kim was the doctor, I think. Yeah. Lee Byung Hong, he was Gima. I've seen him in the name Squid Game and some other stuff. I haven't Ji Young Yu and Mei Hong. They are the other voices. They're the voices for Zoe and Mira, and not seeing them in anything else. King Jong was Bobby. Okay, I know that guy. And also Celine. Oh, hold on. Was played by Young Jin Kim. She was in EXO Kitty, which I've watched. She was the principal, and so I've seen her before. Yeah. Oh, Liza Koshy. She was a host. So intriguing. But yeah. So this is basically a story about singers, trio of female singers throughout time, vanquishing demons, fighting them, and also with their voices and also with weapons, and prevailing. And then turns out this generation, one of them was part demon because her mother cohabited with a demon and birthed her, and her mother died sometime between birth and her getting being raised by Celine as a child. So we don't know what happened there. We also I wanted them, I would have liked if they'd explored that more or given us some backstory. I'm sure there was something like that, but they like probably just cut it. But I would have liked it. If it didn't fit the runtime they were aiming for, I don't know. But I don't know. Could have a little zhuzh. Give us some more, and also would have liked us to get some more with the background sorry, the other four members for Sasha Boys. They were just she knew that we got some story on, Easy the Exception, like how did these other, is it a similar thing where all these other four guys that were like humans before and then they became demons? Is that how the demons are made or whatever? I would have liked something like that, but it didn't negatively impact the enjoyment of the story. It just would have been nice to have to just like enrich the lore of the world. Maybe they could do like a featurette or something like that. I don't know. At least a little short story. It would have been nice to have it, but I would say it doesn't. Not a deal breaker, but it would have it would have given like another point to this movie. This is like a 7.5 out of 10. It could have been like an 8.5. A very enjoyable movie. Like the songs, the everything was hitting, but the story took a little dip just because of that. But there was enough there to enjoy, and yeah, so this was an enjoyable experience. For someone who's not like a K-pop aficionado, I still was into it. The songs were vibey. Them the buzz, them that them a hit. Yo, them that go on well around. What am I saying wrong? Well, I don't know. Never mind that. Right, very good. Voice acting phenomenal, and the animation stupendous, flawless. I saw what made me watch it was obviously I was gonna watch it, but what made me push up watching it was I saw the director commenting on Twitter about the scene with first time they see the Sasha Boys and the corn to the popcorn thing. She was talking about that, like she's glad they got to do that. So I was waiting for that to see how that would come in effect, and nicely done. And so yeah, so you can tell a lot of labor of love went into this. To me, it feels like a very nice ode to K-pop. Me, if you are a K-pop person and you think differently, understandable. But yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, so fun little vibe, nice in the movie. If someone says should I watch it, I would definitely tell them to watch it. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Goodbye.